So, g'day people, how you going? And I forgot to wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! But only if you're in the West. Generally, in some other countries, they don't celebrate Christmas. You know who you are. Look, here's an angel. Christian angel. Ooh. So, when you're in an English-speaking country, you need to learn terms for Christmas. So, Merry Christmas. That's a common greeting that we use when we want to wish someone to have a awesome Christmas. You can say Merry Christmas. You can say Happy Christmas, but we don't say that as often. Some people are saying Happy Holidays. I wouldn't recommend saying that. People just think here, what? Happy Holidays? What the hell? Are you anti-Christian? Oh no. Are you anti-Christmas? What? 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 It can draw out a negative response. So you can say Merry Christmas. And it also comes along with Happy New Year. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Because they're only about 6 days apart. And the New Year is the Georgian calendar when it changes over from this year, 2018, to 2019. And they also say this in other languages, like Cantonese. They call San Lin Phai Lok. San Lin Phai Lok. Kung Hei Fa Choi. San Lin Phai Lok. Happy New Year. Happy birthday. San Nhạc Phai Lok. San Nhạc Phai Lok. Ya is day. Lin is year. But anyway, this is English. Why the hell am I teaching Cantonese? So, angel. Angel represents the guardian over Jesus. And also, we have this. Well, it's not really a Christmas thing. So it's cookies, but it does have Christmas decorations on it. So cookies you can get all year round, but this one's designed for Christmas. It's like a house with, it has, looks like Jesus in the manger in this one here. And here, if you go to the main city centres of large towns, in Australia, in Melbourne, it's the Maya Music Windows. You can see lots of different, probably a theme for a Christmas. And they're very Christmassy, beautiful to see. And I recommend that you should try and see it at least once. Here I have a Christmas boot, so this is the shoe that Santa wears, and it's red. If you know, Santa is actually white. This is lint and it has chocolate. So anyway, let's say Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas. Belated just means after the time period, and Happy New Year, and enjoy your beautiful life. Bye bye.